Welcome to this video on the GCC Assembler for RISC-V. Today we will be diving into the world of assembly language and how the GCC Assembler simplifies writing code for the RISC-V CPU. Let us get started. Imagine having to write assembler code directly in a binary as 32-bit instructions. That would be extremely tedious and error prone, right? Fortunately, we have GNU's Assembler or GCC Assembler, which allows us to specify everything a RISC-V CPU can do without a headache of placing all the bits manually. So the general format for assembly instruction is quite straightforward. The label, opcode, and operands. So the label part is optional and only necessary if you want the instruction to be the target of a branch instruction. Let us break down further. A list of common opcode is here. As you can see, add, ld, add for addition, ld for loading a register, j for jumping to a specific instruction. Each opcode corresponds to specific operation the CPU can perform, making it much easier to work with the raw binary. Operands are the part of the instruction that specify where to get the data from, where to store results, or what the value to use in operations. There are several formats for operands and they vary depending on the instruction used. We will cover these format as we explore each instruction type in detail. Comments are crucial for, as you can see here, we have in the sample program, we have made some comments. So these comments are crucial for understanding code. In RISC-V assembly, anything after a hash sign is a comment. You can also use block comments with slash star which can span multiple lines, making it easier to document complex sections of a code. When naming registers in RISC-V assembly language, remember to use lowercase. In fact, it's a good convention to keep all instructions in lowercase to maintain consistency and readability. Now, that we have covered the basics of assembly language, format, opcodes, and conventions, you are equipped with the foundational knowledge to start writing assembly code. Understanding the structure is just the beginning. Knowing how the numbers are represented, how register works, and the specific instructions available will help you write efficient and effective assembly language programs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into RISC-V and assembly language programming. See you in the next video.